we're Denise and Reed. And that's Bella and Rita.
In this week's video, we head to the more remote part of the Grand Canyon, but just as scenic, the North Rim.
Good morning. Welcome to our new home. Well, our new spot for today. Let me show you around. We got in late yesterday. Well, maybe around like 4 or 5. And we kind of stretched out, found our little spots. We got comfortable, we made dinner, we had curry, and then we just kind of had a chill night because we wanted to be rested. In a couple hours, we're gonna pack up and we're gonna head to Grand Canyon North. We're hoping to see sunset there because we saw sunrise at Grand Canyon South. So that's the plan for today. We're just gonna hang out for a bit and enjoy this beautiful day. We made it! Let's go. What's this? A little trail.
Ooh.
A little secret trail.
I'm breathing hard.
Careful on this. Wow. Unfreaking believable. What do you bet people scramble up this? Should we do it or should we go back?
No. The consequences
are too dire?
Are fatal. Bam.
No, you scramble right up there. You're not gonna fall if you go right up there.
No, this isn't where I want to scramble.
These are the kind of places that I just want to bottle up and just have these memories forever. Some places just feel so magical, I don't know. So otherworldly.
I would not recommend this trail for people that are scared of heights. No.
Those who are view junkies like us, who just want to find amazing views, 10 out of 10 recommend. We're not even at the end.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
And it's a really short hike, but it's amazing.
Yeah. The whole pathway you're walking along, and there's like, sometimes there's an edge on both sides of you, which makes it really cool. You're like walking on like a bridge, a nature bridge that has canyons on both sides.
What, they said it's 0.7?
It's a half mile.
It's a half mile hike.
Yeah, half mile one way, I think. Good. I'm tapped out. Tap you in.
That was absolutely a worthwhile trail. 10 out of 10 for sure. If you do want to take that trail, just remember that there are no dogs allowed and no bikes allowed. So just have a shady spot for your pets and take that trail. You will thank us later.
We're gonna go try and top off our water at the permit office. They have some spigots, but I don't know if we'll be able to access them or reach them from the parking lot. But we're gonna try really hard, and then if not, we'll move on and we'll go to Cape Royale either way. So yeah, I think we can get water in Kanab. I'm not too sure. I think it's a big, like, it's kind of like Page. There's a lot of RV friendly stuff there. I didn't fill up in Page because it was right next to the dump, and it said non-potable. The guys in front of us were using it, and they were like, "I bet you it's tap water." They just try to say that, but I'm not trying it. Fun fact: 90% of visitors go to the South Rim. 10% of visitors come to the North Rim. So if you're looking for more solitude, come to the North Rim. Both have great free camping options, but the Kaibab National Forest here has like hundreds and hundreds of spots for free, and it's just like all the way up into the park the forest runs. So it's pretty cool that there's so many free options to camp at the Grand Canyon. Wasn't expecting all that. The North Rim, or at least at Bright Angel Point, you feel really close to the canyon. You're like in the canyon, the walls are a little closer to you. It's not as wide open and vast, so it's just a different feel, different experience. I enjoyed it more, but there's less lookout points here. There's just the visitor center that has a couple trails down. It has one trail, South Kaibab or North Kaibab, that goes down and meets up with South Kaibab down at the bottom of the canyon, if you're doing a rim-to-rim trail. But there's not as many lookout points, but there's cool picnic areas along the way, and then you get to drive all the way out. It's like a different little canyon peninsula to get to Cape Royale. It's about 25 miles from the visitor center. So that's the plan. We're gonna try and get some beautiful sunset photos. Hopefully we can insert it right here, or maybe in a later part of the video.
For us to see the sunset.
We're drinking water from the Grand Canyon. How sweet is that? The water just tastes better when you know it came out of the Grand Canyon.
And it's just good water.
It is really good water. It's cold spring water straight out of Roaring Springs down in the canyon. Feels good. I don't know why it feels so good, but it feels great.
We are at Cape Royale. It's just a 0.8 mile hike round trip. It's an hour-long round-trip hike, so we're headed there now, and sunset's supposed to be in about an hour. So we're hoping to snag a good spot.
The road in was really cool. The parking lot is pretty primitive, which I like. It's really cool. It's underdeveloped. The North Rim is very undeveloped compared to the South Rim. But on the way here, it was really windy. It was like a roller coaster. It was an hour-long drive, but it felt like it was like 20 minutes. And then right before you get into the parking lot, you see Angel's Landing, Angel's something, Angel Viewpoint, Angel's Wind. It looks really, really cool. Hopefully we can see it while we're hiking. See the Colorado down there?
Yep.
You can see the river right out there. Let's go.
I hate to be rushing us because I could stay here for hours, but we got somewhere to be. Let's go.
Hello.
Hello from the Grand Canyon. Look at this view.
We are officially out of propane and out of most of our grocery essentials. I ate canned beans straight out of the can last night, threw some spices in there, and that was my dinner. Denise had granola. We need to restock up on food and get some propane. Those are two dire ones. So unfortunately, we're gonna be saying goodbye to this beautiful place that we've called home for the last 3 nights. Time to move onward to our next destination. Made it to Utah!
We crashed the drone.
I see it. By the time I realized what was happening, it was too late. But yeah, we broke 1, 2, 3.
Ever wondered why we live in a van? This is why. Yeah.